The world stretches beyond our wildest dreams, an infinite expanse that expands every moment. Among the many celestial bodies that float in this vast ocean, Uranus is a wonder of the outer solar system. Uranus, known as the seventh planet from the Sun, is a world full of greatness and mystery. Although distance is an unattainable dream, modern technology has given us the power to view this far-off significance from the perspectives of space probes. Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of Uranus, from its icy surface to its mysterious moons, revealing the amazing discoveries and amazing technologies that brought this distant planet into our view. Uranus, the seventh planet in our solar system, is 2.9 billion kilometers from the Sun. A day on this ice lasts only 17 hours and 14 minutes, but the years stretch to 84 Earth years. This great cycle means that each phase of Uranus lasts 21 years. The size itself is amazing. Uranus can fit 65 planets in its diameter, and its 51,000 kilometers radius is 4 times that of Earth. To put it on a scale, Uranus weighs 14, although it is lighter than Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. Uranus is classified as an ice giant not only because of its coldness, but because of its composition, which includes water, hydrogen, ammonia and methane. Uranus was first discovered in 1781 by Friedrich Wilhelm Herschel, who first thought it was a comet. The discovery of Uranus was significant because it marked the first planet to be seen with a telescope. Given its great distance from Earth, over 2.5 billion kilometers at its closest and 3.1 billion kilometers at its farthest, Uranus is a remarkable discovery in early astronomy. The great distance of the planet is a great challenge for future discoveries, because detailed studies are a huge task. The Voyager 2 mission represents the pinnacle of space exploration. The spacecraft was launched on August 20, 1977 and began its epic journey to the outer planets, including Uranus. It took Voyager 2 9 years to get to Uranus, using the help of Jupiter and Saturn to speed up the journey. After arriving at Uranus, the spacecraft provided the first close-up images of the giant ice, greatly enhancing our understanding of this distant planet. One of Voyager 2's greatest achievements was the discovery and imaging of the moons of Uranus. During its flight, the spacecraft will discover 10 unknown moons and expand our knowledge of the Uranus satellite system. Meanwhile, Miranda, the smallest of the inner moons, has a spectacular surface with valleys, mountain ranges and craters. The curved shape and its geological features make it a special subject of study. Voyager 2 also took detailed images of Titania, the largest moon of Uranus, showing an icy ocean beneath the surface. Puck, another moon discovered by Voyager 2, is named after characters from Shakespeare's plays, including Juliet and Perdita, and adds a touch of literary history to our celestial observations. From a distance, Uranus appears as a colorless blue disk. The planet's surface is relatively flat compared to the stormy winds of other gas giants such as Jupiter and Neptune. Voyager 2 images showed Uranus to have a calm cloud cover with little storm activity. This relaxation is thought to be due to the cooling of the Earth's interior, which affects the atmosphere. Uranus' blue color is due to the combination of atomic hydrogen, atomic helium and methane in the atmosphere. Despite its calm appearance, recent images have revealed fascinating information about the climate and the structure of the atmosphere. Right now, Voyager 2 is still traveling beyond the solar system, returning data from 15 billion kilometers away from Earth. The spacecraft not only provided amazing images and information about Uranus, but also confirmed the existence of dust rings around Neptune, Jupiter and Uranus. Voyager 2's discoveries include 22 previously unknown moons, as well as cultural artifacts, such as music recordings and messages, that may be useful to future aliens. Advances in telescope technology have allowed us to observe and improve our understanding of Uranus. Observations by the Keck Observatory have revealed dynamic weather patterns, including large, fast-moving storms that were not seen by Voyager 2. Infrared images also revealed the planet's thin rings and the moon Puck, which presents new insights into the ring and satellite system. Interactions with the Hubble Space Telescope have captured images of Uranus and unique features, such as the shadows of its moons, improving our understanding of this distant planet. Despite the vast amount of data collected by Voyager 2 and new telescopes, many mysteries about Uranus remain unsolved. One of the most important is the internal structure of the planet. Scientists suspect that beneath the icy outer layer, Uranus has a complex, dynamic interior consisting of a hot, rocky core surrounded by a thick mantle of ice and gas. This internal structure can affect the planet's unique magnetic field, which is tilted at a sharp angle to the planet's axis of rotation. Understanding the true nature of Uranus' interior can provide important insights into the formation and evolution of ice giants in our solar system. Uranus and Neptune play an important role in our understanding of the formation of the solar system. These ices are thought to have formed in the colder, outer regions of the solar system, which contain more ices such as water, ammonia and methane. Studying Uranus will help us understand how these planets accumulated their gas giants and why their composition differs from the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. The differences in structure and composition between gas giants and ice giants provide important clues about the processes that formed the early solar system and the migration patterns of these giant planets. The discovery of the rings and moons of Uranus has revealed a surprising interaction between these celestial bodies. The rings of Uranus are relatively faint, and were not discovered until Voyager 2 flew by. However, recent observations have shown that the rings are influenced by the forces of the planet's moons. For example, the moons serve as shepherds, guiding and maintaining the structure of the rings in their cosmic activity. Understanding how these interactions work can help us understand the dynamics of planetary ring systems and their long-term stability. One of the most noticeable features of Uranus is its extreme axial tilt, which is 98 degrees. This tilt causes the planet to change its orbit, causing seasonal changes. In the 84-year revolution around the Sun, each pole of the Sun has 42 years and 42 years of darkness. This unique phenomenon affects the distribution of heat and light over the planet, leading to drastic changes in atmospheric conditions. Studying these seasonal changes helps scientists understand the effects of axial tilt on the planet and its atmospheric dynamics. Looking to the future, the idea of sending a new mission to Uranus remains a topic of interest to the scientific community. Although the Voyager 2 mission provided significant data, the technology available at the time was limited by today's advances. Future missions could provide studies of Uranus' atmosphere, rings and moons, and use more sophisticated instruments to probe the planet's magnetic field and interior. These missions can open up new discoveries about Uranus and its role in our solar system, and provide a deeper understanding of the outer reaches of our neighborhood. Looking to the future, the question remains, when will we send another mission to Uranus? The complexity of space travel and the costs of these missions make planning and budgeting essential. However, the quest to understand Uranus and its moons continues to fascinate scientists and enthusiasts alike. Voyager 2's discoveries and current telescopes have laid the groundwork for future research and discovery. What new mysteries will we discover and how will it change our understanding of the ice giants? Uranus is one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system with its icy composition and distant beauty. From the latest Voyager 2 mission to the latest advances in exploration technology, we're getting closer to understanding this mysterious world. We invite you to share your thoughts and questions about Uranus and its moons in the comments. Stay tuned for more amazing discoveries and sky adventures on our channel. Until next time, search and explore the wonders of the world.